Baba, how far now?
Hey, how far now? Where you dey go now?
I dey look for one babe. You how far? Wetin you dey do here
Dey
now?
wait for person now.
While I know dey ma join you now. Mo dey. See, baby, first thing you see is that place. Begin to follow you, say, reach here.
You no keep quiet. You no keep quiet. You say I don stand here since morning. You think that I dey waste my time dey? No tell me that nonsense.
See, baby, leave this town. I have money. I'll take good care of you.
Come on for that place. No tell me that nonsense.
Jesus!
No be me been dey wait for you. Na you been dey wait for am. I dey come. If you carry am there, carry am there na your property.
You don't want them again? Go carry a
Carry am na your thing.
your property.
Foolish boys, you think you can use my head right?
Hey, she can talk, oh. Now me been there wait for you.
Na lie.
Please, thank you very much for watching that Funny Live Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and also on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any kind of events. Even if you want to advertise your business, call us with that number. Please, it's important that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the girls, ladies and women, please try and be wise. Don't allow boys to use your head, okay? Anyway, please subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye.